I'm gonna run out of space on there. I only had like 5 gigs free, and a 15-minute video takes like 2 gigs. We'd.
Yeah.
Like a water bottle?
If I still have the video or not. I had a video. I might have gotten rid of it. Of blowing something up in a paper box. And then blowing the same thing up in a paper box, but duct taping the box shut.
Just imagine one of those jugs.
Let's see if I still have it. Oh wait, I get this set up.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to pull this.
Just like you can see it.
All right.
Did all of them work? It only has beads of
Yeah.
the first time?
I haven't had any. Oh, well, we had one that didn't light, I guess, didn't we?
Yeah.
That's the first one that I've had go bad.
I'm sure I have some first.
That's pretty good. It took you until third period to get a bad egg, right?
Next time you should draw little faces on the eggs.
That's fast.
Make them like Angry Birds.
Or make them the pig's food.
He's getting real close. He's ready. He doesn't care.
What safety glasses first?
Oh gosh.
Tiny
What is that little white thing?
man.
Wow.
Where the
That was
I just busted the microphone on my phone.